Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. This video is for class 4 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 6 and this is part 2 of the video. So let's begin.
Now I have my own small junk shop. I buy junk from junk collectors. They go from house to house and bring junk on hand carts. I then sell it at the big shop. So Kiran is saying that now she has her small junk shop and she buy junks from junk collectors and they go from house to house and they bring junks, okay, on their hand carts. You must have seen kabadiwalas who come to your house and take the junk with them, okay. So similarly the hand carters take junk with them and then Kiran has a junk shop, so those hand carters sell those junk in these shops, okay. So what Kiran do of that junk, she then sell it in the big shop, okay. So how much to pay for this junk? Kiran has bought some junk from junk collectors. Look at the next page, the rate list to see today's rates. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? See here it is written 1 kg newspaper cost rupees 5. Okay, so 1 kg of newspaper is of rupees 5 and 30 kg cost 5 into 30, that is rupees 150. So 30 kg of newspaper cost rupees 5 into 30. Why 5 into 30? Because 5 rupees is 1 kg cost. Okay, 1 kg newspaper's cost is 5 rupees. So 30 kg newspaper cost will be 5 into 30. So the 5 into 30 is your rupees 150. So it means 30 kg of newspaper cost rupees 150. So for 31 kg she pays rupees. So to find out for 31 kg newspaper, we will multiply 31 by 5. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 31, so that will be 155. Okay, so cost of 31 kg rupees will be cost of 31 kg newspaper will cost rupees 155. Okay, so you will do this question in your book only. You will do it here in book only. Now rate list. So here rate list is given for the kind of junk and the prices of 1 kg is also given here. Okay, so first is waste paper. So 1 kg price of waste paper is rupees 4. Similarly next is newspaper. So 1 kg of newspaper cost rupees 5. Then 1 kg of iron cost rupees 12. 1 kg of brass cost rupees 170 and 1 kg plastic cost rupees 10. So now question is, how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? So we have done before this a question of 31 kg newspaper. So this question also we will do similarly. Okay, we will do this question like we did the earlier one. Okay, like we did the 31 kg newspaper wala question. Okay, next is also find the cost of a 22 kg of plastic, B 23 kg of waste paper and C 12 kg of iron. So can you do this without writing? Guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? So these questions you will do in your book only. This is your homework. They are very easy questions. Okay, they are very easy questions. Just we have to do simple multiplication here. Okay, so you will do these questions in your rough copy. You will solve it in your rough copy and then you will write the answer here only in book. Okay, and next question, that guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? What you have to do in this question is the above question. Okay, the question above this, that is A, B and C, that has 3 parts. 22 kg of plastic, 23 kg of waste paper, 12 kg of iron. So you have to find out their cost and you have to add them. Okay, you have already found out the cost in this question. So in next question, guess the total money in this question you have to add all the cost. Okay, you have to add the cost of all these things, and then you have to tell that whether it is more than 600 or less than 600. ठीक है, जो ऑल्सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ, ये जो ए बी सी आपको 3 क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, यहाँ पे तो आप इनकी कॉस्ट निकाल लोगे. ठीक है, फिर नीचे वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, गेस द टोटल मनी किरण विल पे टू द जंक कलेक्टर्स. ये वाले क्वेश्चन में आप क्या करोगे, जो ऊपर आपने तीनों पार्ट्स के प्राइसेस निकाली है, कॉस्ट निकाली है, इन तीनों को आप ऐड कर दोगे और फिर बताओगे कि ये मोर देन 600 है या लेस देन 600. ठीक है, सो दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी. यू विल डू दिस योरसेल्फ इन दिस बुक ओनली. You can take help of your rough copy, you can solve it in your rough copy, but you have to write answers here in this book only. Next is Smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on her mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. So she is very smart. Kiran is very smart. She make use of her mobile phone and sell only when she gets a good price, okay, of this junk. So today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron and brass at Dinu's big shop. So today she went to Dinu's big shop and there she went to sell plastic, newspaper, iron and brass. Okay. So Dinu weighs 32 kg iron, 4 kg brass, 152 kg newspaper, 63 kg plastic. So these are the things bought by Kiran. Okay. So Dinu weighed them. So the iron was 32 kgs, brass was 4 kgs, newspaper were 152 kgs, and plastic is 63 kgs. So this is bought by Kiran. Okay. How much will Dinu pay for 63 kg plastic? So the rate of 1 kg plastic is rupees 12. So the cost of 63 kg plastic will be rupees 12 into 63. Okay, so here chart is given to us. Okay, then Dinu's rate list. This is now Dinu's rate list. Okay, so kind of junk and price of 1 kg. So 1 kg of newspaper is of rupees 6. 1 kg of iron cost rupees 14. 1 kg of brass cost rupees 180. Cost of plastic is rupees 12. And 1 kg waste paper cost rupees 4.50. Okay, it means 4 rupees and 50 paise. So see, remember you used boxes to multiply two numbers in class 3. Okay, so 63 is multiplied like 60 and 3, and then they are multiplied by 10. 60 into 10 and 3 into 10. So this has become 600 and this has become 30. Next, 60 multiplied by 2, 120, and then 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So 12 into 63 means 12 times 63. 12 times 60 is 720. So the answer is more than 720. Also the answer is less than 800. Can you tell why? Okay, so answer will be more than 720 and it will be less than 800. Okay, so Dinu added the numbers in the boxes. So now we are telling why it is so. Okay, so as you can see, Dinu added the numbers in the boxes: 600, 120 plus 30 plus 6. So we have added all of them and the answer is 756. So for 63 kg plastic, Dinu will give rupees 756, which is more than 720 but less than 800. Okay. Next question is, Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? So now we have to do this question. We will do this question, okay? Next is, so how much more money does she earn for 63 kg? So let's do these two questions.
So the question is, Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. So Kiran has bought 1 kg of plastic for rupees 10. Okay, she bought 1 kg of plastic for rupees 10 but she sold it in rupees 12. But she sold 1 kg of plastic for rupees 12. So question is, how much money does she earn in selling 1 kg of plastic? So now we have to tell that how much money is she earning in selling 1 kg of plastic. So let's see. Kiran bought 1 kg of plastic. She bought 1 kg of plastic of rupees 10. Okay, she bought 1 kg of plastic in rupees 10 and she sold it in rupees 12. Kiran sold 1 kg of plastic. She sold it for rupees 12. Okay. So what we have to tell her? We have to tell her earning. Okay. Earning in selling 1 kg of plastic. So her earning in selling 1 kg of plastic. Earning in selling 1 kg plastic. To find out the earning, what we will do? We will minus it from 12. We will minus 10 from 12. Okay, we will minus 10 from 12. Rupees 12 minus rupees 10. So it means her earning is rupees 12 minus 10 is your 2. So it means her earning is rupees 2. She earns rupees 2 in selling 1 kg of plastic. Okay, it means she earns rupees 2 in selling every 1 kg of plastic. Okay. Now the next question is, how much money does she earn in selling 63 kg of plastic? Before this, we found out for 1 kg of plastic. Okay, the earning, the profit that she earns in 1 kg of plastic. Now we have to find her earning for 63 kg of plastic. Okay, now we have to find it for more 63 kg of plastic. So her earning in 1 kg plastic. Her earning in 1 kg plastic was rupees 2. Okay. Her earning in 1 kg of plastic was rupees 2. So for 63 kg plastic, how much did she earn? Will she earn? So earning in 63 kg plastic. Earning in 63 kg plastic. For 1 kg, she earns rupees 2. So for 63 kg, she will earn rupees 2 into 63. Okay, she will earn rupees 2 into 63. Rupees 2 is for 1 kg, for every 1 kg plastic, and we have to find out for 63 kg. So we have multiplied 2 by 63. So multiplying 2 by 63, 63 multiplied by 2, 2 into 3 is your 6 and 2 into 6 is your 12. So 126. Okay, 126. This is rupees. Okay, rupees 126. So it means she is earning 126 rupees in 63 kg of plastic. In selling 3 kg of plastic, she is earning rupees 126.
Now B. Kiran sells 32 kg iron. How much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? So we will see this question. Next is, Kiran buys 1 kg iron for rupees 12 but sells it for rupees 14. How much does she earn when she sells 32 kg iron? So we will do this question also. Okay. So let's see these questions now.
Now the question is, 1 kg of iron is rupees 14. How much will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? Okay, so 1 kg of iron cost rupees 14. So now how much will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? Okay, so he is buying 32 kg iron. 1 kg iron is of rupees 14. Okay, so you have to buy 32 kg iron. So we have to tell that how much money will he pay for 32 kg iron. Okay, for buying 32 kg iron. So cost of 1 kg iron. Let's see, cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 14. So Dinu will pay for 32 kg iron. How much will he pay? If 1 kg iron cost is rupees 14, then we have to find out for 32 kg iron. What we will do? We will multiply. We know for small amount, we know for 1 kg, which is small amount, we have to find for the bigger amount, that is 32 kg. And to find for the bigger amount, we do multiplication. So, cost of 1 kg iron is rupees 14. We have to find for 32 kg iron. So, we will multiply cost of 1 kg iron with 32 kg iron. Okay. So, let's do multiplication here. 32 into 14. And if you know the table of 14, then you must be knowing 14 into 2 is 28. 8 here. And 2 will go in carry. And 14 into 3 is your 42. Okay. 42 plus 2. 2 is in carry. So, 43 and 44. Correct? So, okay. So, answer will be rupees 448. Okay. So, here you have to learn the table. So, if you know the table, you know that 14 into 2 is your 28. 8 here and 2 it goes in 2 is in carry. Then 14 into 3 is your 42 plus 2 44. So, answer is rupees 444. Okay. So, therefore, we will write here therefore Dinu will pay rupees 448 for 32 kg iron. Okay, so therefore Dinu will pay rupees 444 for 32 kg iron. Question is, Kiran buys 1 kg iron for rupees 12 but sells it for rupees 14. So now Kiran has bought iron. Okay, Kiran has bought iron 1 kg and she has bought it for rupees 12, but she sells it for rupees 14. So how much does she earn when she sells 32 kg iron? So we have to tell her profit. Okay, her earning in selling 32 kg iron. So what we will do, first we will find her earning in selling 1 kg of iron. Then we will find for 32 kg iron. Okay, so let's see. Okay, her earning. Let's find out the earning. Earning in selling. Okay, selling 1 kg iron. So in selling 1 kg iron, how much earning? How much profit is she getting? Okay, so she is selling for rupees 14. She is selling it for rupees 14 and she has bought it for 12. So she earns 2 rupees in it. She earns 2 rupees because she bought it for rupees 12 and she is selling for rupees 14. So 14 minus 12 is your rupees 2. Okay, so it means she has a profit of rupees 2. Okay, she has earned rupees 2 in selling 1 kg of iron. So we have to now find out for 32 kg iron. Her earning for 32 kg of iron. So now that we have found for 1 kg of iron, we will now find her earning for 32 kg iron. So earning in selling 32 kg iron. What we will do here now? See, what we will do? We have found out for 1 kg iron, that is rupees 2. So now we will multiply 2 by 32 kg iron because we know for one small amount and we have to find for the bigger amount. So we will do multiplication. Okay, so this is the profit in 1 kg iron. Okay, this is the profit she got in 1 kg iron, or you can say profit means the earning. Her earning in selling 1 kg iron. Okay, and we will multiply it by 32 because we have to find out for 32 kg iron. So her profit in selling 32 kg iron will be 2 into 32. And okay, that will be, we will multiply 32 by 2. So 2 into 2 is your 4 and 2 into 3 is your 6. That is 64. So rupees 64. So she is earning rupees 64 in selling 32 kg iron. Okay, in selling 1 kg iron she is earning rupees 2 and in selling 32 kg iron she is earning rupees 64. So therefore Kiran earns rupees 64 in selling 32 kg iron. Okay, Therefore, Kiran earns rupees 64 in selling 32 kg iron. So, that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.